Hi, my name's Lynette, and this is a 2-minute introduction video on my art journey. I picked up painting again during the pandemic, but between work and reviews, it was more of a casual hobby. This year, I'm committing to it. I'll be documenting my art journey through probably short vlogs. Right now, acrylics and gouache are my main painting medium. My goal for this year is to join more exhibits. I'm honestly excited to see where this takes my work. Video editing and animation used to be a hobby of mine when I was younger, but it was never really anything serious. So, through these vlogs, I'm hoping to venture into these art categories as well. I've also recently been making sustainable art. It's honestly super fun since I can practice painting on different textures. Hopefully, this video reaches an audience that would vibe with me and my art style. And I honestly just hope I don't get lazy in filming. I'll link my social media accounts in the description, and I'll try to update you guys with my artworks regularly. Thank you for watching. Bye!